laughing out loud this is. The things a person does in their lifetime. Then they'll give him a checkered flag and tell him he's an official racer. Sure apologized for this video, but he told me to keep it running. Where'd he go? There he is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on. That's too frickin' funny, this is. Donna, wait till you see your dad in action today. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. It's probably the funniest thing I've ever seen him do. Laugh out loud. Go get her, baby. Pass him. Pass him on the right, pass him on the left. Oh, there's somebody out there. Yeah, sounds just like the pipes of the PT.